Hello guys, this is Crompton Energion Groove Regmote BLDC ceiling fan. It comes in 10 colors. This is white, brown, satin sand, coffee brown, onyx, dark cherry wood. This is ivory. This is cones cream. This is titanium, and this is pine wood. I would recommend white pine wood, satin sand, as well as this one dark cherry wood for better. So I can show you each color with many designs. You can check this how it looks when installed. It comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor as well as 3-year warranty on the PCB. So this is how it looks. It's inverter compatible because some fans doesn't sustain in inverter. So this is a 5-star B rated BLDC fan. You can call the installation service request because this fan Crompton fan gives free service and free installation from company. This is a 1200 that is 48 inch. It's a double ball bearing and 60% of energy savings. So you can see it's a dual mode. You can also connect regulator as well as remote. With any one you can make a speed or on or off, anything. So you can see the speed is 350 rotations per minute. It's a aluminum body. For any installations or a warranty request you can contact this number 922 888 0505. As I have told, it is already a 5-star rated. It is a 28 wattage only. So you can see this is the size dimensions. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to purchase from us, you can visit our website, link in bio. Thank you very much.